Good morning, friends. Today our topic is probability. Okay, in UPSC principal vice principal preparation, today our topic is mass probability. It's very simple topic. Now we are discussing about the only basic level. Okay, the first of all formula, basic formula is favorable outcomes by total possible outcomes, अनुकूल परिणाम by कुल परिणाम. Okay, आई एम गिविंग वन एग्जाम्पल. सपोज आप एक डाई को थ्रो किया. ओके, आपको 4 चाहिए. ये डाई इज थ्रोन. इन डाई यू वांट ए 4. दिस इज द डाई. when you are throwing a die you want 4. what is the possibility? there are 1 2 3 4 5 6. there are 6 total outcomes, but you want only 4. Therefore only one chance and total 6. This is the answer. Okay, 1 by 6. if you want to 3 by 6, 1 by 6. suppose if you want to 5, 1 by 6. Okay, this is the formula. Favorable outcomes by total possible outcomes. next one, range को श्रेणी. Okay, श्रेणी. its formula is 0 less than or equal to p of e less than or equal to 1. Okay, p of e is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. first of all, 0 is asambhav. Impossible. It is called the asambhav. I am giving one example. suppose when you are throwing a dice, you want 8, but in dice only there are 1 2 3 4 5 6. okay, but you want 8, therefore it is a impossible. Next one, certain. what is meant by certain? Nishchit. there is only one chance, nishchit. okay, 1. what is the possible? Possible means sambhav. it is between the 0 and 1. this formula is most important to you. next, I am discussing about the coin, sikka. suppose you are tossed a one coin and then you will get head or tail. okay, these are the outcomes. okay, suppose आपको head चाहिए. if you want head, then what is the possible outcomes? head total outcomes 2, but head only 1 by 2. if you want tail, then the possibility is 1 by 2. okay, total outcomes 2, head 1 by 2, tail 1 by 2. why? because total, we have total outcomes h, head and tail, total outcomes by 2, but here we want to only head 1 by 2, only one head. suppose we want only tail 1 by 2. okay, next, suppose we tossed 2 coins. The outcomes are head tail, tail head, tail. okay, here total outcomes, the formula is 2 power n. what is the n? we are tossing 2, therefore 2 power n. therefore answer 2 square is equal to 4. suppose we are tossing 3 coins, we are tossing 3 sikkas. the formula, the total outcomes 2 cube, 2 power n formula, 2 power n. this is the formula. suppose we are tossing 4 coins, 2 power 4, that is equal to 16 is the answer. okay, first of all, here we are tossing 2 coins. total outcomes head tail, tail head, tail. 2 square 4. here exactly we are asking only one head. exactly one head. what is meant by exactly one head? head tail, tail head. here we want only one head, therefore total outcomes 4, favorable outcomes 2, therefore 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. next, no head. Here we want What is the probability of getting no head? What is the probability of getting no head? You can observe here, there is head, there is head, there is head. There is no head. This is the answer. Therefore, only one chance by 4, 1 by 4. Total outcomes 4, only one head, 1 by 4. Okay. Trick n coins, total outcomes 2 power n. Already we discussed about this. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. And another, just I am giving another question. Another question. A coin tossed. A coin tossed 2 times. A coin tossed 2 times. The probability of getting one head and one tail. One head and one tail. Here observe, this is the question answer. Head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. Here I am asking only one head. Only one head. This is the answer. Head tail, tail head. This is the answer. Head tail, tail head. Head tail, tail head. Okay. Therefore answer is 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Total outcomes 4 and favorable outcomes 2. Therefore answer is 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Next. Dice. Dice. This is the dice. Okay. You can observe. This is the dice. 1 die, 6 color clear outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the dice. Okay. First of all, when you throw a dice, what is the probability of getting 1? What is the probability get 1? 1 by 6 is the answer. This is the total outcomes, and here we want only 1. Favorable outcomes only 1. Okay. Suppose in this dice, we are tossing this dice. What is the probability of getting even number? Here you can observe 2, 4, 6. These are the even numbers. Total outcome 6. Total even numbers 3. Therefore answer is 1 by 2. What is the probability of getting? Suppose when we throw a dice, what is the probability getting odd number? 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Therefore total outcomes 3. Total outcome 6. Favorable outcomes 3. 3 by 6. Therefore answer 1 by 2. When we throw a dice, what is the probability of getting prime number? Prime number. Prime number. 2, 3, 5. These 3 are the prime numbers. Therefore, total favorable outcomes 3, total outcome 6. 1 by 2 is the answer. When we throw it, another question. When we throw the dice, what is the probability of getting greater than 4? Greater than 4. Greater than 4. What is the greater than 4? 5 and 6. Only 2 numbers. Therefore 2, overall total outcome 6. 2 by 6. Therefore answer is 1 by 3. In this question, suppose they are asking greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 4. Means greater than or equal to 4. Answer is 4, 5, 6. Why? Because here greater than also given. Therefore 3 by 6 is the answer. Okay. 3 by 6 is the answer. 1 is not a prime number. Okay. Next. Complementary probability. Complementary probability. It means not E. Not E. Okay. Not E. Its formula is 1 minus P of E. 1 minus P of E. E means event. E means event. Okay. Event. Example P of head. Example P of head means 1 by 2. Okay. 1 by 2. P not head. P not head means its tail. Its tail. Therefore 1 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. It's simple question. When we are throwing a dice, here we want the probability of not head, getting not head. Not head means 1 minus tail. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. Therefore, answer 1 by 2. Why? Because success plus failure is equal to 1. Success plus failure is equal to 1. Okay. Probability head getting 1 by 2, tail getting 1 by 2. Therefore, answer is 1. Next. At least 1. At least 1. You can observe this is the most important. At least 1. Okay. Suppose you are throwing a 2 coins. At least one head. At least one head means you are throwing 2 coins. You are throwing 2 coins. You can observe here head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. Okay. What is meant by at least one? At least one head. At least one head. I am giving simple technique. At least one head. The answer you can write easily. Head, head, head. Therefore, total answer is 3 by 4. This is the correct answer. And another way is not head. Not head. Therefore, 1 minus 1 by 4. This is 3 by 4. Okay, at least one. At least one means 1 minus none. Okay. At most 2 means 0, 1, 2. At least 2 means from 2 to 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Suppose I am discussing about the at most and at least. At most and at least. First of all, I am throwing a dice. What is the probability of getting at most 2? Example, at most 2. The answer is 1, 2. The answer is 1, 2. The answer is 1, 2. When I throw a dice, what is the probability of getting at least 2? At least 2 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is the dice. When now I am discussing about the cards. Now I am discussing about the cards. Patte. Okay. There are 52 cards. 26 are black and 26 are red. 26 are black, 26 are red. In 26, 13 are spade, 13 are clubs. In red, 13 are heart, 13 are diamond. Okay. This is the red color cards. This is the diamond. This is the heart. This is the club. This is the spade. Whatever may be. This is the black cards. Okay. Total 52 cards. Okay. In every card, there are 13 cards, 13 cards, 13 cards, 13 cards. 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13. 52 cards total overall. Okay. 4 suits. This is the one suit. 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 Set or whatever may be. This is a set or. Therefore, 4 into 32, 52 cards. Okay. Here, hearts, red color 13. Diamonds, red color 13. Clubs 13. Spades 13. Total 52 cards. Red cards 26. Black cards 26. Total red cards 26. Black cards 26. Okay. Next, each suit contains these numbers A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J, Q, K. Total 13 cards. Total aces 4. Total aces 4. Total kings 4. Total kings 4. Total queens 4. Total jacks 4. Total tens 4. Okay. Here I am discussing about the pictured cards. Total pictured cards. Kings 4, Queens 4, Jacks 4. Total 12. Pictured cards. Okay. Bimb cards, huh? Okay, pictured cards. Now I am giving examples. When I am shuffled all cards, what is the probability of getting king? What is the probability of getting king? Same formula. Total cards 52, kings 4. Total outcomes and favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. There are 4 kings, total cards 52. Therefore, answer 1 by 13 is the answer. Okay. And queens also same, jacks also same, whatever may be. When from well shuffled cards, from well shuffled patte, what is the probability of getting red card? Total red cards. How many red cards here? How many red cards there? 26. 26 by total cards 52. Therefore, 13 2 ja, 13 4 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Therefore, answer 1 by 2. Next, what is the probability of getting? What is the probability of getting heart card? From well shuffled cards, what is the probability of getting heart card? How many hearts? 13 hearts. Total cards 52. 13 by 52 is the answer. Next, what is the probability of getting ace? How many aces are there? 4. 2 red aces, 2 black aces. 4 aces by total outcomes 52. 4 by 52 is the answer. Next, what is the probability of getting red king? What is the probability of getting red king? Red king. Total 2 cards. Red. Okay. Therefore, total cards 52. Here favorable outcomes 2 kings. 2 by 52 is the answer. Total cards 2. Total cards 52. Favorable kings. Red king 2. 2 by 52 is the answer. 2 by 52 is the answer. 2 by 52 is the answer. Next. When you throw the one coin, what is the getting of head? How many heads? One head and one tail. Therefore, total outcomes, favorable outcomes, here we want only one head, 1, and total outcomes 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the answer. 2 coins tossed. What is the total outcomes? What is the total outcomes? What is the formula? 2 power n. You don't remember the formula, simple technique. 2 in head, in coin, how many faces are there? Head and tail. Okay. When we are tossed 2 coins, therefore 2 square, 4. When we toss the 3 coins, 2 cube. When we toss the 5 coins, 2 power 5. Okay, this is the simple. When we throw the dice, what is the probability of getting even number? What is the probability of getting even number? Okay. Suppose this is the die. Suppose this is the die. I am discussing about the even number. Even number. How many even numbers are there? 2, 4, 6. These are the even numbers. Therefore, total favorable outcomes. Here we want even number 3 by total outcomes. Total numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, answer is 1 by 2 is the answer. 1 by 2 is the answer. Standard deck total. Deck total matlab total cards. How many cards there? How many cards are there? 52 cards are there. 52 cards are there. How many red cards? 22. 26. How many black cards? 26. How many aces? 4 aces. 4 by 52. Okay. This is the answer. 4 by 52. 4 by 52 means? 4 by 52 means 1 by 13. How many heart cards? How many heart cards? 13 heart cards. By total cards 52. At least one shortcut. At least one means 1 minus none. This is the answer. Impossible event 0. Impossible event 0. Next, I am discussing about the leap year and non-leap year. Leap year and non-leap year. Leap year and non-leap year. This is the non-leap year. Non-leap year. Non-leap year. First I am discussing about the non-leap year. Okay. Non-leap year. 365 days. 365 days means 52 weeks. 1 week has 7 days. And 52 into 7. 52 into 7. 364 plus 1 day. That 1 day must be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Just I am discussing about the non-leap year first of all. Non-leap year. In a non-leap year, what is the probability of getting 53 Fridays? Question, simple question. In a non-leap year, what is the probability of getting 52 Fridays? Sorry, 53 Fridays. 53 Fridays. Okay. 53 Fridays. Fridays. Okay. You can observe here the answer is simple. Total 52 is completed here. 52 into 7, 364 days. Only 1 day. Here, but only 1 day. But here we want Friday only. This is the Friday. The outcome favorable outcome is 1 by total outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, answer is 1 by 7 is the answer. 1 by 7 is the answer. 1 by 7 is the answer. Okay. 1 by 7 is the answer. Suppose another question. Same. In a non-leap year, what is the probability of getting 52 Fridays? 52 Fridays. What is the answer? 1. What is the answer? Next question. In a non-leap year, what is the probability of getting 52 Fridays? Simple. The answer is 1 minus 1 by 7. 6 by 7 is the answer. 1 minus 1 by 7. Okay. This is simple way. Now I am discussing about the non-leap year. Sorry, leap year. Now I am discussing about the leap year. What is meant by leap year? Suppose 2025. 2025 is leap year, non-leap year. 2026 leap year, non-leap year. When it is divided by 4, then it is called the leap year. It is divided by 4. Suppose example 2000 divided by 4, 500. The remainder is 0. It is called the leap year. It is called the leap year. When we divide with the 4, then we can get the remainder 0. It is called the leap year. Okay. Leap year. 366 days. 366 days. 52 into 7 plus 2 days. 52 into 7 plus 2 days. Okay. The 2 days must be Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday. Okay. In this question, I am discussing about the leap year. In the leap year, what is the probability of getting? 53 Fridays. 53 Fridays. What is the answer? Already 52 is completed here. There is 2 days. Here 1 Friday. Here 1 Friday. Therefore, favorable outcomes by total outcomes 2 by 7. This is the answer. In leap year, what is the probability of getting 52 Fridays? In leap year, what is the probability of getting 53 Fridays? In leap year, what is the probability of getting 52 Fridays? 53 Fridays answer is 2 by 7. 52 Fridays answer is 5 by 7. Sir, how it is possible? You can observe here 52 Fridays. 52 Fridays. 1 minus 2 by 7. This is the answer. 5 by 7. If you want 53 Fridays, the Fridays are Thursday, Friday and Friday, Saturday. Therefore, answer is 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Okay. Another question. In a leap year, what is the probability of getting Wednesday after Monday? In a leap year, what is the probability of Wednesday? What is the probability of getting Wednesday after Monday? You can write on the comment box. What is the answer? Okay. And it's very simple, and just I am giving one short trick to you for remembering these formulas. One simple question. Just I am giving one question to you. You can think about this. In a leap year, what is the probability of getting 52 Sundays? Just example. In a leap year, this is the homework sum. In a leap year, what is the probability of getting 52 Sundays? What is the answer? Okay. What is the answer? 52 Sundays. Okay. All the best. Thank you very much.